Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to export videos in Davinci Resolve 20. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Davinci application on your PC. Then you want to go and click on this rocket icon on the bottom right side. And after you click on this option, you want to go and here on the left top side, you have here the render settings. You should click on the render settings. And now we should choose the export settings. Now, I will simply go and select the H265, H.265. I will choose this option. Once you select this option, you can simply add the name of the video that you want to export. And of course, if you want to select the place that you want to export the video to, simply click on browse right here and choose the file. And now you want to select the render single clip and make sure that the video is highlighted like so. And now once you choose the video here, you should check this box, just make it checked. Then here you can choose the format. Simply, I will choose the QuickTime. You can use MP4, MKV, JPEG 2000, JPEG, IMF, whatever you use, but the best two options are the QuickTime and the MP4. Once you select it, you should now select the codec. I will go for H.265. So simply click on this arrow beside the codec. And here you can select any option that you have. The best two options are the H.265 and H.264. So these are the most common used codecs. Now, after you choose the codec, you want to go and click on encoder. You just have to leave it auto. And now we are going to select the resolution. Now, if you want to render this video on full HD, you can go with this resolution, 1920 by 1080p, and this is full HD. If you want to render it on Ultra HD or on 4K, you want to scroll down more and see here this option, 2160 by 2160, and this is 2K, or 3840 by 2160. And this is the 4K resolution. And of course, you need to have the project itself on 4K in order to render it on 4K resolution, and do not downgrade the resolution to 1080p if you have the video already on your project with 4K resolution. Now, after you choose the resolution, here you can choose also the frame rate. I will leave it 24, but you can choose more. You can choose 30, 60, or even more, according to the video itself. Now, after that, I want to go and click on quality. Then I want to set it to restrict to. So I will simply click on restrict to. And now here, as you can see, I will add this quality restrict to. And I will simply leave it here restrict to. Then here I will type a number that is actually multiplied by 2000 by the frame rate. So I'm gonna multiply 24 by 2000 and it will give me this number, or you can simply set it automatically if you want to do so. Now, the last important thing that you need to consider is to make sure that these ends are highlighted. So let's say here, as you can see in this situation, I will export from this to this. But now I should expand this highlighted area in order to include the whole line or the whole sequence or the whole video. So now here, as you can see, I have included the whole sequence by moving these two ends to the beginning of the video and the end of the video. And by this way, I will be able to export the whole video. Now, what you should do after that is to simply click on add to render queue. Then you want to go on the top right side and click on render all. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.